Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Alright, how you doing everyone? Today we're going to make this fried rice with shrimps or prawns. It's quite spicy. It's absolutely delicious. It doesn't take long. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is I've got some shrimps or prawns. They were frozen. I just put them into some cold water then drained them off. I've got about 3 cups there. Now at the back we've got our essentials. So shrimps, half a cup of onions, tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon of garlic chopped. Now at the front you can really play around with this. Today I'm using just under a cup of green beans, carrots, bell peppers and some cilantro or coriander, but think about mushrooms, corn or any other sort of vegetables you might want to put in there. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper only, and of course we need to talk about our rice. There you go, cold cooked rice. I cooked this yesterday. Hot and warm rice doesn't fry so well. I've got here about 4 cups of a cooked basmati rice. Let's go. This is simple. So you're going to need a wok or a frying pan, a skillet or something like that. We've got the heat on high. I've got there 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our ginger. Now I've cut the ginger, as you can see, in little sticks. You can chop it if you want. A little bit like the garlic if you like. Just a few seconds. Let that do its thing. Now I said there's a tablespoon of ginger there. There's probably a bit more actually. There might be 2 tablespoons even, but you can adjust that however you want. Ready for our half cup of onion. Cut nice and small. High heat. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Now I'm going to add my carrots now and my green beans because they're fairly hard vegetables. So if you're putting celery in or something like that, get that in now. We're going to go for another 3 minutes. What we're going to do now is get a nice big pinch of black pepper in there and salt. Then we're going to add in our shrimps or prawns and we're going to go for about 4 minutes or so on this high heat. Keep it moving. Okay, beautiful. I'm going to add my last vegetable, which is my bell peppers. I like a nice little crunch on them anyway. Like I say, sweet corn, zucchini, mushrooms, anything goes. Right, time for our rice. Cold cooked basmati rice. Like I said, I cooked this yesterday, popped it in the fridge. Now, 4 to 5 minutes. We actually want to fry the rice, so keep it on a high heat. If we get a little browning or blackening on the rice at all, that's beautiful. I'll see you then. Okay, beautiful. You can see that the cold rice doesn't stick together. It's all nice and loose and beautiful. Now listen, off goes the heat. I'm just going to do something else. I'm just going to remove that pan, do one other thing. Okay, so I've just got another little pan here. Got a little touch of oil in there. I've got 3 eggs beaten. In that goes. To that I'm going to add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. A nice big pinch of chili powder. We're going to just cook that away and that's going to get mixed into our rice. Beautiful. That's gone back onto the heat now. In goes that lovely spicy egg. There goes some cilantro or coriander. If you wanted, you can get some green onions or spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, in. Little mix, just like 2 more minutes, job done. It is beautiful. Okay, and there you go. Really, really simple, really tasty, spicy shrimp or prawn, whatever you call that, fried rice. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe and keep well, everyone. Lots of love. Well, well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.